TC, are you first go live? The whole of the dancer them come out and them go live. I'ma feel like say a whole heap of misunderstanding a go on. And the reason why me want go live is because I know say by a morning all of them live I go there out and I want to clear something. Bust it up, Spice. Me not bust up nothing. I want to clear something. TC go live. Rebel go live. Pretty go live. You notice if Richie Feelings never come out, come say something, nobody who no go live, and that is the problem.
Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. It's so ironic when things are going downhill for you that the people that you put your trust in and you will give your all to, they will just turn against you in the splits of a second. Now we're going to discuss what Spice had to say in relation to her dancers and what they have been saying online as it relates to her and the amount of money that they were paid for their performances at various locations across the world. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. Make sure though that when you're clicking that notification bell, you click on all so you're notified whenever we post all our videos. Alright, we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So the situation between Spice and her dancers have spilled over into so many aspects on social media to the point where money is in the focus of the main contention right now as it relates to the money being paid out to the dancers for various aspects of engagement, both local and international scene. So Spice sought to clear the air in relation to this, and she's actually stated that she will be posting her receipts of the actual payment and wire transfer that were being made to these dancers while they were on the road with her, both on the local scene and on the international scene. Also, there were some allegation in relation to visas being applied for and denied behind Spice back as well, and she took the time just in order to let her voice be heard in relation to these matters. But all I can say, what is going on social media I should say, in relation to this is very shocking, and it's very alarming to see how you and someone could be so close and just because of a simple issue they just turn their backs on you. Now you have to wonder if these people, they were actually genuine in the initial stage, or they were just there for the clout, the hype and the fame and the glamour and the fancy lifestyle. But this is just how life is, and this just goes to show you that in life, as Bob Marley would say, your friend could be your worst enemy. And you know why Bob Marley said that? Because most of the time you will confide in your friend and you will share certain vital information with them, or certain personal information per se, that you will not really share with the regular day-to-day person. And when you and these people fall out, now these people have all the beans to spill on you, and these people will draw you under the bus in whatever aspect it takes. They don't care about your feelings anymore. Is that it is as if you and them, you weren't friends with them in the initial stage. So this is just what is happening right now, where people have just been throwing words against each other, and it has just been a to and from situation. Who's carrying whose name where, and what is been said about the other party, and what is just been going on in relation to the whole entire Spice saga. But we don't know delay. Let's go over to what Spice had to say in relation to this matter. Let's go over to that. Links 007 TV. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos.
TC, are you first go live? The whole of the dancer them come out and them go live. I'ma feel like say a whole heap of misunderstanding a go on. And the reason why me want to go live is because I know say by a morning, all of them life I go there out and I want to clear something. Bust it up, Spice. Me not bust up nothing. I want to clear something. TC go live. Rebel go live. Pretty go live. You notice if Richie Feelings never come out, come say something, nobody wanna go live, and that is the problem. That's the problem. Richie Feelings come out, come talk, and wanna so hurt. You know why I wanna go live? Because Richie Feelings says something where hurt Uno, and Uno alone have feelings. But other things was said about me as a boss, and it never hurt Uno. Nobody no go live. Just like Uno act. It will I go up in life. You notice how I act like a little bit of money me pay on. And people are gonna say, me love talk when me do for people. Me have to talk. Me have to talk because you don't want to talk. And guess what? My neighbor gonna talk. My booking agent named Ray Alexander. Me now gonna talk. Tomorrow when me wake up on go in on my story, all me gonna do, I post all of the transaction and the money we sent to an account since as I saw we deal with it. Because when I act like say a little bit of money me pay on now. Let me clear up the $2,000 and I make you understand something. When I work at Jamaica for me every single night, when I work a foreign for me, when I get on a pay. And me now I tell the people them how much you get on a pay. I go and post it because remember it's a wire transaction sent to each on the account. So me now have to come tell the people them say, this one get pay and that one get pay because nobody now come talk. The people them talk about $2,000 because TC say she get $2,000. TC I never pay $2,000. Each one know cause that's why the mix up start because Rebel say una dance for $3,000 and Boom I pay $5,000. Me is not Boom. Me is not Red Bull. Me is not a big company. I pay on $15,000 a week each. I pay when you know they are Jamaica. When you know they are Jamaica, but you not talk like you don't want to clear up the something. When you know they are Jamaica, each of them get $3,000 per night. People that work 1 week in a Jamaica and at $7,000-8,000 them I get for the week. A $15,000 each on me pay on. And me pay on a driver. Me buy on a liquor. Me buy on a clothes. To keep Team Spice on the road every week, it cost me over 100,000 Jamaican dollar. And for the 4 week on the depot, it cost me $500,000. And that is just for no pay alone. Me not talk about no clothes. Me not talk about no shoes. We not talk so no back chip up, and no this chip up, and no that chip up. I work on our dancers. That's when people used to this on ourselves to go look at job. Me say don't this me dancer, them a dancer. When you leave from Jamaica, 7,700 US on get that 88,000 Jamaican dollar. Me pay on. But you not talk. When you go to England, it's 1,000 US me pay on. Rebel used to make video and laugh. I say, whoa, my boss pay me raise, but oh, that not talk now all of a sudden. But like I said, me not gonna tell you how much me pay on. You know, I go and call Ray early tomorrow morning and I go and post the receipt with all of the wire transaction when I send and pay on. Because I come act like say me stingy and me mean. If you don't forget clothes is me. If you don't forget shoes is me. You know this Chris's thing in the street. I want to not talk that. The argument start from Richie Feelings going live and say, oh, me not hear your dancer them. You saw me jump up come on live. I come talk about me left group. I never leave that group. RT put out my number on the internet. That is what happened. RT put out my number on the internet and I shut down the phone because my phone no stop ring. And people can't get access to any information once they have my phone number, my address, anything. You never know what happened. For sure you have my other 3 number, I have my Jamaican number. You ring it. You want me flip the phone and go show the people them when last when I talk in a Team Spice group from the 6th of December. No go back in the group when I talk about them have group. I be a Coroaches and Bangaroo in the group. TC say Rebel a chatter in a class are. Who said this a one year chatter in a class are? Me try to fix the group. Me sit down with them, me talk to no. Me call TC Pantry way with Rebel and I tell her no to fix it. And Rebel I apologize and I say a long time she did say this and a long time she said that to not come act like say me as some little idiot boss and I come talk about be a boss. What more you want me to do for no? Me no work out at embassy. Explain to the people them why you don't have a US visa. You don't have a Canada visa on the book is me gonna get it. You don't have a US a England visa on the book is me gonna get it. You don't have a Europe visa is me gonna get the Europe visa. You don't have a US visa. Why? Because me already have a work permit over 3 years. I'm in a one out of embassy. You cannot go up on a work permit unless me ready to renew my work permit. And my work permit now up. Pretty, you got embassy, you never tell me say you got embassy and them turn you down. Tell the people them and talk when I spin and I go on. Me no own embassy, me no have no links out there. Embassy no give away links. You have to be filed for. You have to go up on a petition. You have to get a work visa. If you have a regular visa, you can't travel with me. You cannot travel with me on a regular visa and travel up and down in and out of America. You have to have a visa like me. If you can't travel back and forth with me, else them will cancel you regular visa. You spin and a talk and a act like say me as a person. And that's the problem with Richie feeling so now. And see it come out to pass, yeah? Your sound no go live? Your sound no go live? You know why I don't go live? Because something bad was said about Uno, but when something bad I say about me, Uno do like Uno does say. That's why we sound a hypocrite. Uno sound Uno not ungrateful. Okay, fine. Why Uno never come out come talk before? Why somebody have to come out come say, oh, me not hear the dance of them for the whole Uno go live? Uno never see nothing before. Yesterday Uno never see nothing. Uno never see nobody say, oh, nothing bad yet. Uno keep quiet and play hypocrite. But the moment somebody come out, come say something bad will affect Uno, everybody want go live, everybody phone at work. You see me depend Richie Feelings Instagram on me I laugh and I say, them phone must be dead. I dead them phone dead. And I make joke and I laugh. The people them say wanna chat me, I wanna class me. Uno no call me, uno no say nothing. The people them say rebel rob me. Uno no call me, uno no say nothing. Me say yeah man, them ungrateful. Me I go live, Pretty I go live, TC I go live, Rebel I go live, everybody I go live. So what did they all along? What did they all along when me I say look like on a phone dead? When everybody I say, oh, Rebel said this about me, TC said this about me, this a one year, what did they? And I go act like say chew me a boss, me no feel no way. Hey, uno give me basket, you know. Uno give me basket, you know. Uno give me basket. But remember, me tell you, mighty God, Jesus Christ, man. When me I go turn out for me have to turn out for be somebody great. Me have to turn out for be somebody great. Me have to be somebody great. You gonna say, why me never call you as a boss? And you fi call me, little girl, me and you no size. Is Uno a chat me and Uno a say something bad about me? You not hear say Spice a chat you. You not hear say me say something bad about you. So why am me if I call you? And you a chat me. And you a say something bad about me. TC, you gonna say you call me. You call me for your own business. You call me and cry I water say Rebel a chat you. You don't call me about my business. Uno no use back Team Spice group. We don't use it to come talk, but all of us in a group like the group is perfectly fine. We don't at war with each other and play hypocrite with each other. Rebel rub TC, Rebel rub Pretty and the whole on a laugh up and a kin up on the teeth and a act like something normal on the alright. We don't do alright. I'm been a try fix it. We don't come talk about. One who can't come out, come talk the factual things. We not come spin and come bow. When the money not right, like the whole on the platter. TC, you pretty. You notice you and TC I talk the same thing because you talk before in a company life. I plot on a plot up. I couldn't think people are idiots. When you go Europe and we have to carry 1 person and 2 person and the money and the pay. Me I go post my receipt, them are $700 US each when you take for get for go up and show and $1,000 US when you reach a good show. You no get less than $500. No care all the money little bit. And I me a pay on out of my pocket, no promote and if a book on for go and no show yet. And me go in my pocket and a pay on no. You no know no clothes buy, you no know no shoes buy. Oh, you come talk about US visa. Me no own embassy, me no have no links out of embassy. People will get links out of embassy, visa get take away. Me no own US embassy. Me no have nobody out there. Me no know nobody. A proper filing me deal with.
Well, there you have it. That was dancehall recording artist Spice giving her views, giving her opinion, and just taking the time to clear the air in relation to what is being said or what is being circulated on social media in regards to the money that these dancers were being paid for their services. No, they shouldn't have gone to this. And it's one of those situations that we really need to just stop and look at and just take a time to just analyze and just see the predicament situation that everyone is caught in just over some simple matters that could have been dealt with outside the social media realm. Now, what is going on between Spice and her dancers? It's not the first time we have seen situations like this being played out, not only with Spice, but with other local entertainers on a higher level. And we have seen how this has caused friendship to be torn apart and envy to be carried for years in this arena of the music. And we have seen how people have carried grudge for other recording artists for years, and it's just like a recurring thing throughout the many years of watching dancehall music and seeing the growth of the music itself. But what transpired between Spice and her dancers in the current segment of this report is very sad. And as you hear, Spice said she's gonna just bring out her receipt. I've seen the receipts as already, and she's actually stating the amount of cash she actually paid these individuals, which was very good. So record keeping in situations such as these is very good, because guess what? People can come and they can say anything about you. They can say, give them $5 for the performance. However, the receipt will show what they signed to and what they receive. So it's always good if you are doing things such as these, or you're in the entertainment business, is always good for you to have your receipt and keep them very safe, because most of the time these are just the things that will save you from the dilemma and the drama that sometimes people will come with just in order to bring you down or tear down your name or your reputation that you have worked so hard or immensely to build over the years. We have seen how Spice has grown from just a regular recording artist to a big international superstar, and it wasn't an easy road for her. We have seen her struggles, we have seen her growth, we have seen her downfall, and it's very sad to see that people just want to tear her back down, considering that she's one of our own. But all I can say, I've heard Spice said some things recently, and I know that it's true. Whenever you're at that top position or you're at the lead, there's always people there that want to see you fall to the ground, and you have to be strong within yourself, and you have to be very cognizant and mindful and put yourself in a position where you ferment yourself and don't let situation get the better of you. You get the better of the situation, because these people, they just try to just tear you down from where you're coming from. And you don't want to go back there, because you know the struggles that you face and you know the difficult times that you had in the past. So you just have to maintain your composure, stay focused, and just do what you have to do in order to progress yourself for future endeavors. So this is what Spice had to say about the whole entire situation, and I just wish that you could just drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about what Spice had to say. This has been Links 007 TV, and guess what? We're out for this one. Peace out. Bless.